I've been waiting all night.
What kind of heat is this? Like, legit, what kind of heat is this? Ah, God, I beg you. If we're experiencing this kind of heat in November, what is January, February, March going to look like? What is March going to look like? You guys, it is blazing hot in Abuja. I cannot understand the heat. Ah, hey, wahala day, oh. Wahala day, serious wahala day. Hi guys. So sorry to begin this particular clip with complaints, but God, what? To wind down all the glasses, because what is this heat? What is this? Hey, I beg you. Hey. Anywho, you guys are doing good, because I'm not doing good. This weather. It's crazy, because somebody will tell me, oh my God, Alma, you were in London, you were crying that it was too cold. You are back in Abuja, you are crying that it's too hot. See, it's a lot. Like, let me see how many degrees it is in Abuja today, because you guys, it is hot. Nah, and this is just 12:16. Like, it's not even peak of afternoon. It's not even 3 p.m. yet, 2 p.m. It's just 12 noon. It's 30 degrees in Abuja, guys. 30 flipping I was not prepared. Anyway, today is Tuesday and I'm just about heading out, obviously. If I was inside my house, I'll not be crying about this heat like this. But then I'm going to renew my car papers. My car papers expired like a few days after I came back from the UK, and I've just been lazy, to be honest. I've just been so lazy. I have a VIO office very close to my house, and that's where I'm going. I've just been super duper lazy to go and renew these papers. I don't know why. I've been so lazy because I haven't actually been going out of town like that. These guys are everywhere in town looking for who to devour, looking for who to frustrate. So before I have a reason to go to town, let me kukuma just go and renew the papers, because I'm not about to enter any VIO trap. Heading there now. From there I'm going to go run a few errands and come back home and just chill. I just finished editing a video. I should have gone out since morning, but I've been editing a vlog that's supposed to go up today, so hopefully that does go up today. But yeah, let me go and renew this car papers and get on with the rest of my day. Yeah, so I have paid for my papers and they are currently renewing it, so they've asked me to come back later on today. Thank God it's not going to take more than a couple of hours. I was already dreading the fact that it wouldn't be ready for a couple of days. Just came out of the market. I didn't buy much, to be honest. God, this heat. I just got some tatashe, I got some onions, I got some beef. You guys, first of all, can we talk about what is going on right now? I don't know why, but at certain times of the year, it seems as if onions becomes gold. Because explain to me why onions is so expensive. Like that small plastic bucket, basket that usually would buy maybe 1,000 naira or 1,000 plus is almost 4,000 naira. Like I don't quite understand what is happening. Usually I would buy like half a basket of that, because when I'm buying stuff, I don't like to buy too much. This is 1,000 naira onions, guys. 1,000 naira onions. 1,000 naira. I can count how many is inside. Like, it's crazy, because at certain times of the year, like around this November time, just before Christmas, onions becomes like gold. It happened last year, it's happening this year again. I don't quite get it. But anyways, I'm heading home now. I want to make more this afternoon, so I'm heading home now. I'll pick Mia up in another half an hour, and then yeah, that's it, guys. Hi guys, I just came out of the salon. I got my nails done and I really like these nails. It's not my first time at this salon. I've only come here once to get my hair done, and today I decided to try out their nail tech, and she's really good. I wanted like very short white tips and she killed it. I absolutely love it. I wanted to get my polish on my toes changed, but I don't have time. I have to go and pick Miaros up from school. I'm even late at this point. Well, yeah, like I'm completely obsessed with my nails. I would definitely be coming here from now, and it's like it's toned through from my house, so why not? I don't have to drive all the way to like Wuse 2 or Maitama now to get my nails done, so that's a good thing. I am very happy about this. So this just came in. This is actually for Jessim. I don't know. He ordered some stuff. Ah, Chimo.
Mommy.
He ordered some stuff.
Mommy.
Yes, Mia.
That's sweet.
How was school? How was school today?
Good. I saw Michelle outside. But she's not feeling well. I'll get her juice and mini me chincha.
And sweet for her too.
That's good. What is in the box?
Her
What did
birthday
Daddy buy?
gift.
Your birthday gifts.
Yep. From...
Daddy, I like it!
You do? So Daddy's birthday gift.
From
Ebuna.
Who is Ebuna?
You just be talking what I don't know.
From mommy.
From me.
Your mommy.
Birthday gift from mommy. I'm sorry it's coming late, but I wanted to be sure of what you wanted. Ooh, the packaging is so nice.
Yeah.
There's this brand we found on Instagram, guys, that do shoes. Do not use a his. And his packaging is so good. Like, oh yeah, unbox now. It's your gift, so unbox it. The two of them are your gifts, right?
Yep. So this is going.
Yep.
That's mine.
You need like...
Nope.
That's
We are
mine.
good.
That's my box.
Remove this one from the nylon. Let's see first.
That's my box.
That's your box. What? Well, his packaging is so nice. This is so impressive.
And their customer service is good.
Yep.
This is my box, Mom.
That's your box, Mom. What are you doing in there? Want to take off your school uniform?
Yum.
Okay, let's unbox this one first.
Let's see what Daddy happens.
See packaging, oh hey. Nah, this is mad. This is wow. Oh my god.
Wow, Daddy likes it.
Hey. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh my god. This is actually very nice.
Yeah.
Look at the quality of this.
That is beautiful.
Oh my god. This brown will suit your legs so well.
Yeah, it's nice.
Wow, look at this. Madu. I beg, Nigerian brands are not, they're not smiling again because what? Wow, this is really nice. Like, and for the price, it's really good. For the price, it's really good. I'm so surprised. It's the packaging that is even madding me, Seth. Like the packaging, I'm just like, wait, what? Wow. Oh, that one looks like it's gonna be a free. Woo!
Wow.
Come on!
Wow.
What? Oh my
the quality.
goodness!
Quality is something else.
The quality is what?
Wow.
A Nigerian brand.
Wow.
This guy is good. He's really good.
Just
And
the
he
way,
has
just
some.
The way, just the way it looks on Instagram.
On Instagram.
Looks even better in person.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
I was
This
thinking
is
it's gonna be a
beautiful.
fave, but I really like this
I
one.
love this. I love this better than the
brown
brown. This
Wow.
is classy. This is wow, babes.
So
This is
nice.
nice.
I'm
This is
impressed.
nice. This is nice as well. Like
really
what?
impressed.
These are cute. Mado, come and finish them in the Abuja with these fine shoes, baby.
This brown. Is,
Yeah.
Just imagine the lights on this shoe. Looks so good.
This black. Oh my god. And the quality.
And they're going to be a fave
like
for me.
is the quality for me.
Yeah.
Can you hear that? Like,
I'm definitely going back.
you're definitely gonna shop more from this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, happy birthday in advance. I mean, sorry, in arrears, baby.
Belated.
Happy belated birthday. And I hope you like your gifts.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so pretty.
Wow.
Ooh. I remembered I had some meat in the freezer and I brought it out today. I honestly don't know what I want to make with this meat because I have already made yam porridge for lunch, but I legit want to eat meat. Like, I don't know what to use this meat for, so I'm just thinking of putting this meat on the fire. Not all of it though, it's quite a lot, not all of it, but I'm thinking of putting some of it on the fire, you know, spicing it really nicely and doing like a sauce and maybe figuring out how to eat it. Yeah, like a little pepper sauce. Not like pepper. I'm not really a pepper person per se, but just like a sauce, yeah, to go with the meat, because I'm just craving meat a lot. So I'm going to put that on the fire right about now, and whatever I get up to with this, you guys will definitely get to see it. Okay, so tell me why I have rewashed this meat and it's not looking as much as I thought it was. So I just basically used everything.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good. Rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop me. You should go out. Need someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm really wild. I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl.
Hi, I've oiled your hair. They have not put it yet. They've not put it, Mama. I know you're excited. Yeah, is so excited because they're installing an AC in her room. So she's super duper. She's monitoring them bumper to bumper. Oh my God, but they've not put it here. I know you're excited, but they've not put it yet. They're still putting it. They've not fixed it yet, okay? You want? You can't play with your toys right now, Mama, until they finish, okay? Let's wait for them to finish before you can play with your toys. kind of shining. Anyway, just got home from church. Mia followed her grandmother home, as always. Mia followed her grandma home, but just got home from church, so I want to start making stew. I'm going to make turkey stew for lunch today. And guys, let me tell you guys something. I've been craving turkey and I just got tired of chicken. Like, you know how you eat chicken so much and you just get tired of chicken? I've been craving turkey, and a kilo of turkey in the market is 6,000 naira. In fact, 2 weeks ago when I checked, it was 6,000 naira a kilo. I did not buy. Then yesterday, get to the market and it's how much? It's 6,500 for a kilo. A kilo of turkey. But I said, you know what? I'm going to eat this turkey. So I want to just make a quick turkey stew for Sunday lunch. Most likely I'll go to my parents' place later, but that's basically what Sunday is gonna be like. Just see his veggies. His delicious veggies.